everyone's amazing. Sorry, I know I'm like a few minutes late, but I'm here. I feel like that's the important thing. The important thing is I made it. What in the Wi-Fi is happening though? Sorry about that. And let's do this. Anyways, how's everyone doing? How was the rest of London? Sorry, if it hadn't have bottom wicked me out, I would have stayed in and gotten a full TP. That's frustrating. Anyways, whatever. It is what it is. Again, good to know I had the correct idea. It just wicked me out. Can't believe it. That's so rude. What's up, Precious? How you doing? Brandon, what up? How goes it? How goes it? Are we ready steady? Like I said, I'm not 100% sure if I'm ready steady, but I'm a mess and my horse may or may not have broken my foot. That is to be determined. Let's see how it feels later, seeming as I haven't sat still for 1 minute. So it's very likely that he did. Look at this mess. I'm a mess. I'm so sorry, guys. Yeah, but it is very likely that he did indeed break my foot. He stomped on it solidly. But it's fine. Let's do this. We've still got this. All the chaos and everything. OTT, what's up? I don't think there's anything more frustrating than watching that happen, but it's fine. Okay, New York High was also taken, sure. Okay, let's get this party started. Good grief. Sorry, I think everything's having a mini meltdown as well because of the fact that everything flipped out. Okay, sorry, I was double checking on everyone today. That's still there, so there's not in play. I'm still grumpy about this, but it's fine. It's fine. Just had to take me out. It is what it is. What's up, Alex? How you doing? How's it going, bud? How frustrating is this? Like I said, it is what it is. Good idea, just got wicked out. If it didn't wick me out there, if it just continued like this, it would have been a full-on winning trade, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I feel like the markets are just here to test me, and it is what it is. We gotta keep on keeping on, right? So let's keep on keeping on. Here's London Loop. There we go. London Lip. Okay, and technically the London High was taken, but I'm gonna call this. I know theoretically it's not London High. I labeled it as London High, but I know theoretically it's not, especially if you're doing more ICT type of things. There we go, but at least that's done. That's done. We've marked out previous day high. We've marked out everything we need to mark out there. Of course, go for it, Alex. Suggest away. I'm always open to learning things. Hey, Roshan, how you doing, bud? How's it going? Hope you're doing amazing. Amazing. Rodrigo, hi. Good morning, everyone. Well, good morning, good day, depending where you're at.
Hi.
depending on where you're at. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. 13K today and chilling. Rashan, when are you gonna share the love? What the heck, man? FX forever! How you doing? Sorry, I'm just pinning the affiliate code. There we go. Pin. And let's do this. Pin. But yeah, Alex, I'm all ears. What's your suggestion? Like I said, I'm always keen to learn more. $50K ever OTT? Cool, right? I was also there like, okie dokie, let's just take a step back for a minute. New Year, what's the topic? Well, we're doing trading here. Rodrigo, what's up? How you doing? The next potential rejection point I have on the day is 25230. Interesting. Angry Bob, did you see this absolute BS? If it hadn't have bottom wicked me here, it actually would have been a perfect winning trade. Absolute BS, but I guess it is what it is. Richard, no, don't say that. But whoop whoop, by the way, seriously, whoop whoop. Not bromide. Is that? Did I say it correctly? Me. I had a loss that should have been. I don't know. No, clearly my luck ran out with that damn slippage. It wicked me out, and it would have been a winning trade. So a little bit frustrating. Actually, wait. Wouldn't have been a full TP, but it would have been a partial and then break even. Interesting. Okay. Would have been a partial and break even. Having a look there. I was about to do something now and I completely forgot what I was gonna do. The brain cells will eventually kick in. It's fine. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. That's it. For Rashan. Whoop. You get a whoop whoop for that awesome win. Well deserved. Well done. Hey Haroon, what's up? I've been trying your strategy and found out that if I break it into two trades, one at the point of interest and the second one halfway to the stop with the same stop. Alex, if you don't mind taking a screenshot and showing me on Discord, break it into two trades. One at the point of interest and the second one halfway to the stop with the same stop. Show me a screenshot of what you mean. I'm curious, I'm intrigued. I'm all ears, I'm super intrigued. But it was valid, don't send demo prop. It seems like you made that much. I can full pot and send 100 great trade, but let's be real, if you're learning good, you don't let that give you an ego. Risk got traded, Debbie. Oh, you're hardcore. It's going down now. Kat, you know, I'm inclined to agree with you. Name of the stock. Nasdaq futures. Micros to be specific. Need us up. Kat, you know what? I wish. I feel like I would have a better excuse if I was eating special brownies. But I'm not gonna lie, I do have really bad vertigo today, so if I look a little bit dizzy, it's because I am doing my best to not be dizzy, but yeah. Mikuave, I'm so tired. So don't trade, Mikuave, just chill, sit back. Relax. Have a drink. Relax. Where's Sapcoach? I could prove that baby. You look like you got a nice booty. I'm a horse rider, so I do. Moving on. What style do you trade? Like Fair Valley Gap or Order Blocks or... Oh, a.a. Ron? A little bit of both, sorry. So I trade market auction theory using ICT and SMC confluences. Hey Dom, check Discord. I will go and have a look. See? What's up on Discord? So Dom, is that what you believe? You believe it's gonna continue up? Wait, we can see the scenario pull back to red zone and buy. If broken under, we're looking for a short. Oh, okay, got it. Let's see. Interesting, Dom. Yeah, for anyone that wants to join, there is a Discord. More than welcome to join. No, don't be a bum. Sorry, this silly thing. There we go. So this should never expire. Here we go. Glolo, what's up? How are you doing, bud? 150k endeavor. Looking for short. All or nothing? Addy, looking for short. A little bit. Well, let's see, but yeah. Okay. Let's do this, people. Yeah, if you want to join the Discord, please do. Like I said, just please be aware. Please be aware that there are scammers pretending to be me. I will never give you a phone number, so if you get a phone number, it's definitely not me. If you think it's a scammer, ask for a one-on-one call. I will very happily do a one-on-one call, even if it's 5 minutes, be like, yo, it's me. Obviously, scammers will not want to do a one-on-one call because, well, they're scammers. So if you do join the Discord and you get a random friend request and you're not too sure, ask for a one-on-one call. Problem solved. Christian! Oh, you got beef.
Nice.
So, Dom, you see buyers coming. I'm not convinced. I haven't even done a top to bottom analysis. Let's quickly... I'll check the daily, but I mean, the daily's been looking so... Okay, wait, this is better. This is better. A little bit higher, maybe to 251. Potential. Unless this is just gonna start dipping down. I'm so over this barcoding rubbish. Let's check the 4 hour. Maybe back into this fair value gap. It could come and retest back down, but it did break these highs. Did tap into my point of interest. So let's see, what's that 984 level? Awesome. 1 hour, quick sticks. So I'm trying to be quick before it's time. Do have a bit of fair value gap there, not much there. Actually, this could just keep going up and away. Check it, go there. Let's check the 15 quickly. I know it's now 9:30. I'm missing open. Well, not really like I can trade the open, so it's fine. It's about to tap into there. Let's see if it respects here. Holy guacamole. 5 minute. Mikuave, who on earth would want to pretend to be Maya? Honestly, making it seem like they want to be me. What's wrong with them? I don't even want to be me, but here we are. Also, Mikuave, I see someone woke up with an attitude, but anyway, whatever. Holy moly. Here we go. If you're doing bob to bob, this would be a good bob to bob. Wow. What an opening candle. Awesome. Awesome. This is the 930 range. Wow. Stock name, Nasdaq Futures. Dom. Look at you go. Well done. Whoop whoop. Sure. Dom's on fire recently. Well done. Seriously, Dom. Super, super well done. Don't know if anyone actually trades the open except for Dom. If you did and you had a whoop whoop, well done. Whoop whoop for Dom. Super, super proud. Let's see now how this goes. Into Bob level potentially. Let's keep watching and seeing how this now is. Okay, NQ is a lot stronger than ES right now. Wow. NQ is a lot stronger to the bull side on ES. No. Huh? What the heck did I just say? NQ is a lot stronger to the bull side. There we go. I don't know why I said on ES. Hey Tom, what's up? How you doing? Tom Riley. For anyone that was watching earlier, sorry, I just kind of poofed. My power went out. Welcome to South Africa. So yeah. Maybe it was just stopping me from the pain of the rest of the London session, but it's okay. Lubba dubba. Hey bud, how's the trading been going? How did you get, yeah, how's your eval going? Are we happy? Are we sad? Are we jumping up and down with joy? Are we screaming into a pillow together? Which one is it? I'm hoping it's amazing though. Lulu, get solar. I'm renting. I'm not about to install solar on a place that I'm renting. One day when I make it and I can afford to buy a house, then yes, then I'll go and get solar. But until then, no. You're showing your balance. Is that a new thing? No? I try to always show my balance. Yeah, I try to always show my balance. Like I said, this is a very open and honest channel, so that's why I keep my balance there so that everyone can see. You know, I'm not pretending to be absolutely amazing into the damn Bob level. Let's see how it reacts. I really thought it might go back down. Okay. Let's see, I mean, a huge push. And now we're struggling. We might be headed back down now. Oh, that's okay, Todd. Don't stress. But yeah, so I'm trying to keep my balance there. So maybe you didn't notice because on Project X the balance kind of showed, but now I'm on Trading View and the balance doesn't show unless I have this open the whole time, which is just frustrating, and it does that. So I just placed the balance there for everyone to be able to see. Okay, here's the 5-minute chart. Whoop, and whoop. Struggling to break above. Kind of stuck between the Bob level and the 930 level right now. I suspect this might start heading down now, but I could be really wrong, guys. I could be really, really wrong. It's just what I suspect. Let's see. TPT is almost instant payout. That's awesome. What the heck, Lobadaba? That's amazing. That is the big thing. So, like, happy dancing up and down is what I'm understanding. Yes, we're super happy, super chuffed. You know what? I'm gonna quickly Google something because I'm curious about something. I don't know. Is anyone here like? I don't know if superstitious is the right word. Who here is superstitious? I'm Googling something. So, yeah, about it. Good, that's okay. What does signify? I don't think I'm asking this question correctly. Nope, I'm not asking a question. Fine, I'll do it later. There's the one else we value gap from the 12th. Nkululu, if you look back at these bob levels, you'll see that they tend to be at pretty key points in general. Look at how it tends to, and if it ranges, you'll see that it kind of ranges between two. Look at how it popped in there beautifully. I'm just gonna scroll back slightly so you can see how it kind of respects the bob levels. Like, obviously it's not 100% all the time, but yeah, sometimes it's a little bit insane. Like there it just missed, and here it just missed. Here you can see it rejected off of it, struggled to break through there, it got stuck. There it just rejected off of, there just missed. It's very interesting if you take a look back there, rejected off of it. So it's not an exact, but the levels are very interesting to watch out for. There can be just some key points. Anyway, sorry. Random. I just thought I'll show you. Next impulse probably, but be careful, we can see now pumping down. So Dom, like I said, I'm not against seeing it going bearish now. I'm not against it. Is it going to though? But let's see. I mean, was that the move and now it's just going to be ranging because Nvidia is happening later? That is also very possible. I would say any trades today, just be cautious because of the fact that Nvidia is happening later today. So I don't know, are a lot of people going to be trading today because of it? Who is, okay, let's do a poll here. Who is trading today? Let's see. Sorry. I know I'm being a little bit quiet. I apologize. We have liquidity in the fair value gap now. The big candle next to Crypto Cuban, what's up? How you doing? What time are the earnings for Nvidia? 4:30 EST, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere around there. 4:30, 4:45, somewhere around there. If I'm not mistaken, can someone correct me if I'm wrong? But yeah. Okay, a bit of a break above now. So it's only happening in the afternoon, so that's why I'm asking, you know, is it just going to be rangy today because too many people are going to be a bit nervous to trade because the Nvidia earnings is coming out later? See. It's always a little bit of a question mark when it comes to Nvidia. Everyone is very cautious because it feels like Nvidia is kind of taking over the world right now. Just kidding. I know they're not. Well done to them for doing so well, just in general, like damn. But it does mean we can expect potential choppiness. Let's see. Like now struggling to break above. We still do not have a first presented and we are nearly 15 minutes in. Wow. Okay, that's not great. That's not promising. Nearly 15 minutes in, we don't even have a first presented fair value gap. We got the 9:30 open, which is pretty massive. 5-minute open, and now it's kind of slowing down. Let's see what happens at the 15-minute. Hey Gilbert, what's up? I'm also South African. How you doing? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. So I'm currently using top 1 futures, but yeah, but you can use, so like Violin and Tradify are both allowed in South Africa. Violin is currently having an 89% discount or sale, whatever you want to call it. Tradify is having a 30% discount off of all accounts until Saturday, the 28th of Feb, and a 40% off of 150k select account. Yeah, if you want to check it out, all the links are in the description below. So Gilbert, just, you know, all the links in the description below are all SA friendly, so you can go check them out, see if there's any prop that you think looks like it'll suit you the bestest. But yeah, if you want to get the code, you can use my affiliate code, TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. Oh, here we go. Big rejection. Well, big-ish rejection. Let's see. Would I ever trade Forex? Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Hey, check. Missed the movie because I did not believe this would happen now. Really? Why? Dumb coming. Let's see. Yeah, dumb. Let's see. I got you, Gilbert. Well, let's rather ask this, Gilbert. Would you like activation fee or no activation fee? Activation fee, but cheaper per month for an eval, or no activation fee, a little bit more expensive per month? That kind of helps determine which one I could potentially suggest for you. Also, do you want like a super well-known one or a little bit more of an up-and-coming one? And if you want... See, so there's lots of options. Like if you want TradingView, Tradify or top 1 futures. Violin unfortunately doesn't have TraderBait, so can't trade using TradingView. If you want no activation fee, Tradify, but then it's a little bit more expensive per month. If you want a little bit cheaper, Violin or top 1 futures, cheaper per month, really good rates per month, but there is an activation fee. And yeah, so you know, that's kind of up to you. But let's see in 1 hour if there'll be an entry like what's an activation fee. So when you trading an eval account, once you become funded, sometimes, like I said, so Tradify doesn't have an activation fee. Top 1 and Violin do have an activation fee. So once you pass your eval, there's an activation fee to become a funded trader. Because then you no longer have to pay per month. So once you're funded, it's no longer a monthly fee that comes off. No fee, and you can start to take payouts when you reach a certain level. So you you pay to activate that account, I guess. Yeah, so Tradify does not have an activation fee, but they are then a little bit more pricey per month until you are funded. Whereas top 1 futures and Violin are cheaper per month, but once you pass your eval, there is an activation fee. My thinking was it would stay in range to Nvidia, but apparently they think it's massive positive. Check. I thought the same thing. I really did. I really thought the exact same thing you did. I thought this was going to be Chop City, but apparently... Does this count? Like, that is the tiniest first presented fair value gap I have ever seen, but it theoretically is a first presented okay. I mean, it counts, I guess. It's just itty bitty. It's a itty bitty baby. It's a itty bitty baby. Okay. Let's do this itty bitty baby. And come back into the... This is the 15-minute range. Okay, it looks like we're breaking above it. Good rejection off the bob level. I would like to see it go bob to bob. if we come back into this. That would be better if it comes back into it though, if being the keyword there. I think this is just gonna keep running away. You got in, awesome for you. If not, sorry. Damn, no, check, I agree with you. I really thought this was gonna just be Chop City. Hey, Great, what's up? It counts Tiny One's mana disappearing back into shadows. Geordie, you know, I was actually just thinking about you right now. I was like, where's Geordie? Nice to see you just there, lurking. Hey, Debbie, what's up? How you doing? Watch out, volume's not matching the jump. Okay, what does that tell you? Check. If the volume's not matching the jump, what does it tell you? And back. Another buy trader. And I'm a hella over trading. Rashan, damn, dude! What are your personal preference currently? Like, what prop am I trading? What's the price of the eval? Sorry, I think I heard you explaining prices, but I was working. Like, oh, don't worry. So I'm currently on top one futures. Well, I didn't actually really realize there was an activation fee, but it's fine. I've passed the funded. So I mean, like I said, theoretically, they are cheaper per month. So if you think you're gonna take a few months to pass, rather than go with the cheaper per month, right? But if you think you're gonna be quick, go with the more expensive one that has no activation fee. Dividend profit. Violin has a big chance of returning back. Huh, interesting. Okay. I wonder if it's just gonna tap into Bob level and then return. It might. I mean, this is just running away now. I see it. What? Okay, anyways, sorry. You just made my day. Okay, let's see what this looks like on the 5 minute. Holy moly. Okay. 15 minute. Cool. 15-minute close there. It's breaking above the 15-minute. I would like to see a bit of a retest of the 15-minute and then continuation. Is it gonna do that though? Meh. Like, literally, guys, this is actually the 15-minute. Well, clearly the bulls are in play today. Called that wrong. I suspected we would come back down. Definitely called that wrong. I mean, it's going very nicely in order. Look at it go. Beautiful. Back into the 15. It's just, is it going to want to come back and retest the 5 minute? It's the only thing. It feels possible that it would want to come back and potentially retest the 5 minute. This doesn't... It's just running away. This is not an A+ setup for me at all. And it just keeps running. Ooh, into Bob level. What the heck, man? Who got into this jump? This lurking man. What's up, Brightest Future? How you doing? I've made in payout over the last 3 months. Whoop whoop, beans on toast. That's amazing. Sorry, I don't know why I keep calling you beans on toast. It's beans toast, but anyways. Shannon, oh, what vacation are you going on? What's your vacation plan? I'm kind of jelly. I could do with a vacation. Sorry, making noises because this, with regards to my strategy, this sucks on NQ. Seriously, it's not great on NQ for my strategy. It's just run away. With a pullback on ES. Okay, bulls are still in play. That range is just too big. That's better? It's just huge. Let's see how this trade works out on ES. I mean, it has my 3. I would have taken this trade on ES. Seriously, guys. On days like this, I really should just be like, hey, ES, let's do this. So, on point is a good zone to pull back. Please tell me you took that long. Juan, no, I did not. OTT, was it really full TP though? For which one? Hey Cam! Well, I'm on a prop, but I'm trading a funded account. What's up, Cam? Cam, welcome. You're new, right? Heyo. OTT, what'd you ask? Really full TP though. Huh? I feel like I missed something there. Deep pullback into the 930 zone. Let's see. I'm curious about ES. That being said, seriously, with how ES has been going recently, but look at just freaking trading ES. NQ's been such a diva. Did you hear me, NQ? You're being a diva and it's rude. Let's see if ES would have worked out. My tummy just made a noise. Anyways, moving on. That first trade, it would have been like partial break even or even break plus new session, ignore. OTT? What you talking about? Or where? I haven't. There's like no trade here that I'm even keen on right now. Oh, Cam, that's awesome. Cam, what do you trade? Hey, Mogiver, what's up? How's it going? What's up, Jeffrey? Are you good? That's a very interesting name you got going there, bud. OTT, you've officially confused me. What trade are you talking about? Nothing would have tagged in. Ooh. Looks like ES is going for a loss. If I'd taken it. I obviously didn't take it, but... Okay, looks like the sellers are now stepping in though, so that's something. Anson, what's up? Do I speak Afrikaans? My friend speaks it and I'll speak German back to him. I find it awesome that he can understand each other quite well when not speaking English. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not great at Afrikaans. But yeah. Okay, OTT, what happened? OTT, explain please. Explain for 10 marks. In Bob level. Do you know what's kind of frustrating? I saw this wick, this rejection off of this bob level, and I was... Maybe one day I'll be brave enough to start doing this, but part of me wanted to take a sell there. Bob to bob. Ooh, okay, no, ES would have destroyed me in like 3 seconds. The previous one was good. It's very Dutch based. OTT, are you good? Well, TP hasn't hit, but TP1 did. Yeah! What? Yeah! Well done! OTT, which trade? What did you, what way did you take? What, who, how, why? This is so itchy and it's driving me crazy. Where did I have this earlier? Cool. I've got nothing. Seriously, nothing. Heyo, Muslim Lantern, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? How goes it? So I see quite a few people are keen on trading today. Some people also not too keen. 952 fair value gap on ES4 short. Ooh, okay. Nice, nice. Very nice, very nice. So now let's see who influences who. NQES or ESNQ? I mean, I don't love how different they are today. I really don't love how different they are right now, to be fair, check. If I trade more... This is weird, we're the usuals. I feel low, no, OTT. Actually, Jordy, where you at? I think, in all honesty, OTT, I think they're in a Discord chat. Let me see. I'm not actually sure. They might be in a Discord chat. Jordy! Microwave! Hello! Break even hit. Oh, okay, well, break even's still not bad. You're still in the whoop whoop zone, right? That's still a whoop whoop. Sellers and buyers fighting in the zone now. Yep. Literally. Who do you think's gonna win? Dun dun dun. Hey Jose, what's up? Yeah, let's see. Oh no, I don't actually have a GAN box open, but Jose, how you been? There's Jody. Oh my gosh, where you been, little lurker? And Dom, you're keen for sells now. I mean, very good rejection off of this bob level, so let's see. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. It just took off and now it's oh no. Do you think it's gonna be one of those days where it just consolidates and then just shoots off and then consolidates and then shoots off and either you're in it or you're not? Doesn't work very well for my strategy, so let's see. really big wick to the top side. Struggling to break above. Thanks, Jose. Yeah, everyone's so quiet today. Are you all good? I do feel like a lot of people are actually just deciding, no, OTT. Watch this come now and hit your TP. I'm so sorry. What the heck, man? But isn't this argument of if you move to break even too quickly, you could miss out on potential profits? Yes, it might save you from some stop losses, but you could be missing out on potential profits. Do you take correction trades? What do you mean by correction trades? Do you mean like retests and then continuations? Is that what you mean, Cam? Because yes, if that's what you're asking, yes is the question to that. Sorry, I'm pulling a face because I'm not even upset to be out of this right now. This doesn't look great. But yeah, Cam, is that what you're asking with regards to the correction trades? I took partials NQ nasty right now though. Yeah, OTT. NQ has been nasty. Yeah. It's been a bit of a nasty month. I'm not gonna lie, Feb has not been kind. I think it's been really nice to some people, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong, just personally, it hasn't been the nicest to me. And that's okay. You're gonna have some ups and downs. It's all part of the journey. Let's see. Retest. Yes, I do. That is exactly what I do. So, market auction theory. So I do market auction theory with ICT and SMC confluences. So I very much take the retests. Retests? Yeah, or what did you, the correction trades? This month's been so slow. And just the problem is it's just been sideways. So it's just kind of been chop city. And it's been getting, it's just been very, like wanting to scream into a pillow. That's it. It's just been making me want to scream into a pillow. Ooh. Shorts now do look kind of nami. Could be wrong though, this could just be going sideways. Win rate at 85%. Damn, Rashad, whoop whoop to you, that's awesome! David Holland, your strategy is meh, just my opinion. Yeah, it's okay, it's your opinion. You should try trading gold. Hell no. No, I say hell no. I have tried trading gold before. It doesn't always work very well with my strat. It's a little bit too wicky. That sounds weird. But, yeah, it's a tiny bit. I haven't looked at it recently though, to be fair. Shorts look yummy. I'll have a look. Well, you only trade. See, Rashad, that's wild to me, but it would be wild to me because you are used to gold, so gold makes sense to you. Yes, does that make sense? The problem is it's going so slowly down, especially on ES. ES is pushing down. NQB fighting right now. The buyers be fighting right now. Oh, it just tagged it. Oh, OTT, I'm so sorry. What the heck, man? Oh, NQ out here causing all of us
Emotional damage.
And that's fine. Here we go. Here's the drop. So full range on NQ. I can't take this even if I wanted to. I'm pretty sure I won't even be able to take one contract for this rubbish right now. Let's see. I am genuinely concerned about Bob. Have not heard from Bob in a while. Got their own people acting like they know it all and you must listen to them. Ironics, I like you. You can stay. I know. And you know what? Everyone's entitled to their opinions. That was English. Everyone's entitled to their opinions. I respect opinions. Like I said, I'm always open to learning new things. Like Alex, I don't know. Is Alex still here? Alex? Don't know if Alex is still here. But Alex had a suggestion for my strategy. I'm waiting for him to message me on Discord. I asked for a little bit of screenshots because I didn't quite understand what he was explaining. Like I said, I'm always open to learning. Like, yeah. Again, like I said, every strategy can work. Every single strategy can work. Just if you know when to execute and when not to execute. And what are the correct conditions and what do you look for to execute your strategy or your position. LMW, some of my comments don't show up, I don't know why, but anyways, looking like another bullish day, up 1.2. LMW, how you doing? Oh, hey Frankie, what's up? Well, Brandon, I don't know why I call you Frankie. I'm so sorry. What's up, Brandon? I had a loss, which is very frustrating. Check out this absolute BS in London. Wicked me out, but ultimately headed exactly in the direction I wanted to see it head. So that was... that made me want to scream into a pillow, but it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Markets out here keeping you humble, even when you don't need to be humbled. Exactly. It's almost like you get used to... I'm aware this sounds dumb, okay? I'm aware this sounds dumb. It's almost like you get used to that asset's personality. Okay. LMW, I'm good. How's it been going for you? LMW... Literally, it went... let's do this, and got me, and then did not go back down to that level at all. It was rubbish. Give me a second. I'll be right back, guys. Give me 2 seconds, seeming as I have to wait for something anyways. Okay, I'm back. What did I miss? Aha, I see I missed. Absolutely nothing. Someone wants to say hi. I missed out. Also, I thought and bull flag yesterday went back to bar replay. Turns out I would have been stopped at like 1 or 2 pips. No. Here we go. Shelby, give me another ball. Okay, okay. Someone's here to say hi. I'm watching silver movement against what NQ is doing and check how does it look. It looks like it's about to get rangy, then liquidity, then pull the trigger. Oh, I say whoop. You're right. Where's everyone today? Is everyone good? Hey, some guy, what's up? How you doing? Just as I was about to ask, where's everybody? Some guy, how you been? How's Elf? Sorry, we're gonna have some chitty chat, seeming as I can't do anything yet. Aw, goodbye, some guy. Just kidding. I hope you're doing great. Yeah, this price action does suck. Obviously, let's give it time. Let's give it time. If this price action looks like it's just gonna stay like this, I might call it early. You know, stop some temptation, stop FOMO kicking in, and rather hop on Discord. Maybe do some back testing. Let's see though. Let's see though. I'm jumping the gun. Something amazing could still happen. Sun is shining. Oh my goodness, sun is shining. That's amazing. A plus bull flag. Blah, 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 blah. That was not English. Bull flag setup right now. LMW, interesting. What do you call an A plus bull flag setup? Like, what do you look for? Yeah, what do you look for? Anironics adore. His name is Periwinkle, and he is indeed adorable. I love him to bits. Took a short on silver, faster profit. 6 or 7 things in total. Okay, LMW, what are those things? So I don't know much about the flags and what you would be looking for. That's why I'm asking genuinely out of curiosity. Here we go. Here's some movement. Solid pole candles with low wicking. Okay. LMW, are you on the Discord? I'm not sure if you are, but are you? But silver's going down, the more it will go down, the more NQ will drop. See, low volume. If silver will turn, it'll push NQ higher. Ideally, when it breaks out, it's hugging 90 MA and must match trend direction. Money, you probably use your game box on that bull flag. I mean, probably. Like I said, the full range. Here's the 50% of the full range. Let's see if it pops into the full range. Potentially. It looks like on ES it's going back down to VWAP. See if it's a continuation. Nothing's looking ideal for me just yet. Gotta wait for some better conditions to start taking place here. To be fair, ES low-key looks like it's barcoding there. Literally went sideways. NQ is slowly going down, so that's something, I guess. This is not ideal price action. So it does mean I need to stay hands off until something good happens. I mustn't let like the want or the want to get a trade in affect anything. which is sometimes tricky. I'm aware of that. A tight trading range has a magnetic pull in the middle, not betting on a breakout limit order the breakout instead. Interesting. Hey, one broke trader, how you doing? I feel like I need to change my name to that as well. You don't react on Discord. Check. I do react. Just like I said, between London and New York, I'm very busy. I'm very busy. I'm at the stables. I literally, from the time London stopped to the time New York started now, I haven't had a chance to sit down. Between that time, I drive to the stables, I work horses, I try and sort everything out. It's why I'm normally a mess, like my hands are a mess. And then I come back and only then do I sit down. So I tend to respond to Discord before London and after New York. Those are my times. So before London and after New York is when I respond on Discord. Because between that, it's chaos. Another whoop. NQTP1. Damn, OTG, you on fire today. Look at you go. Are you trading like live account or you just paper trading? We're looking for a relation. There should be none, but lately there's something I've noticed. Almost TP totem my sister. Whoop whoop. Nice, Dom. Well done. Need to trade silver. I don't see a trade on NQ. Nvidia is looking like a bull flag. Google shows you when you search it up. You need to earn this name first. I mean, I'm pretty damn broke. Does that not count? And I'm a trader, so... What do I need to do to earn the rights? It's passing every single check. I'll be shocked if it doesn't work. Interesting, okay. Hey, Trilezzo. I feel like I butchered that. I'm sorry if I butchered that. Did you enter or sell? You waiting for a price to hit your demand zone? Sweet and simply, actually, I'm hands off for now. Because this price action tends to not work well with my trading strategy. So let's see. We might start to get some volume and then I'll be like, yay, we can start looking. Or else anything, let's see how it reacts off of the first presented. Let's see how it reacts. Here's the 50% of the full range. If we start to get some decent movement, I can start to look for an A+ setup. Until then, though, unfortunately, yeah. OTT funded. Ooh, nice. Okay. Me, I trade a funded account. Same these. I'm also on a funded. I was so worried it wasn't going to be another no trade week. OTT, why is this week a trade week? This week feels... Okay, I don't want to say worse than last week, but it feels similar to last week. Oh, okay. Got it. You made me feel bad. Sorry, chick. You made me feel bad. Second entry strategy, long and short, seems working well. I think my waiting for hit 50% and a breakthrough. But silver moves like a full NQ trade. Yep, so if you're wrong there, your account is in danger very quickly. That's exactly it. Silver is for them brave people. This is going bob to bob. Let's see how it reacts off of the 15-minute and the bob level. Like I said, the bob level, the first presented, and 15-minute are all in this range. Let's see how it goes here. I was kind of interested in it coming down to the midnight open again, but let's see. I mean, it's basically just looking like a barcode on ES right now. I know I'm being a negative Nancy. It just right now this price action is bleh for my setup. I am very well aware that this is probably like heaven for some people right now. In which case I'm kind of jelly. And also well done to you guys. Let's see. What have we got going on here? Just missed the 15-minute. Okay. I would not have taken that trade. Let's see what we get. Everyone's being so quiet today. It's super duper weird. The word on Discord should interest you, but if not, that's also okay. Don't worry, I'm gonna have a look after this. This price action is not tradable for most traders, maybe not to. One broke trader, but that's exactly it. I think a lot of people have probably called it already. Well, who here is actually waiting for the Nvidia announcement? The thing happening later. Nvidia. OTT won't lie, I'm locked in. People are missing. It's scary. Really? Okay, OTT. I mean, if it's working, well done. Then super whoop whoop. Good for you, I guess. Let's check the higher time frame, maybe. Nope. Still don't like that. Well, OTT, if it's working for you, amazing, well done. Let's go to 25200. Back into the 930 range. Ow. My TP under 15-minute zone go down. Me knowing there is an announcement and when is all I care for. True, LMW, very, very valid. I feel like majority are kind of waiting for that, but like I said, if not, if you can trade this, well done. It'll be after hours, yeah. Just follow your model, trust me, and don't overthink much. If your A+ shows, take it as long as you still have a draw. Oh, that's true, that's true. OTT, I agree with you. Asia will get interesting. OTT, let's see if a draw actually shows up for me. I'm not sure if it will. If it does, awesome sauce. If not, it is what it is, I guess. Try again tomorrow. So Asia will get interesting, I do agree. There are 3 scenarios for Nvidia. 2 will make trading easy. Okay, I'm all ears. Check. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Schmeck. Yes, this is my funded account. What's up? How you doing? This is indeed my funded. What's up? How you doing? I've asked that twice. I'm sorry. Gold how? Whoop whoop. Oh, Schmeck, I can't complain. I mean, for me, this price action's kind of untradeable, but it is what it is. Whoop whoop. What's up, old guardhouse? How you doing? Break even was hit, you're done for the day. Oh, okay, OTT, but that's okay.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
The amount will not be an important thing for Nvidia. Okay. My pillow fell down and that, yep, that, okay, moving on, it's fine. Oh my gosh, this price action sucks. Getting ready for the day. I love it. Sorry. Gosh, guys, this day has... Oh, just an FYI, my horse may or may not have broken my foot. It's to be determined. Well, no, I can still walk on it, so I'm sure it's fine. I'm just being overdramatic, but he full on jumped on my foot. All freaking 800 kilograms of him just went... And I was just like, seriously? Seriously? Because he's an idiot and he touched the electric fence. Outlook positive but plus numbers in line will be massive bullish. Numbers positive but outlook negative equals the worst scenario because it'll be pushed. Oh, okie dokie. We just talked about it yesterday at 2. Hey Warlord, what's up? How you doing? Oh, yo, Jose, it's fine. It's all part of it. I'm curious to see how swollen my foot gets. Like I said, I carried on and you keep walking and you keep going. So then you don't notice it, but because I've been sitting still now, I'm like, oh, I can start to feel that it's a little bit sore. Still nothing here for me to trade. Potential fake out? I don't even know. Do you think this is a potential fake out to the buy side? Whoa. Lubba. Yeah. Like I said, you get used to it. Luckily, apparently I have strong bones. Oh, Lubba, do you have anything? Do you have anything good? Do you have any trades going on? I'm just watching this thinking, why? This is just curiosity going on. Just kind of looking at this. Yeah, interesting. Tapped into the silver bit of an order block. What's up, Perry? Trulezzo, you knew it was going to retest at the fair value gap. It's just moving so slow. I don't trust this. This is the type of rubbish that happened earlier where it just wicked me out. And then carried on. I mean, look at this 5-minute BS going on over here. What the heck, man? What if it's gonna go back down to the 50%? Potentially. Did I just whoop whoop? No, I didn't whoop whoop. Definitely no whoop whoop going on here right now. Hi, what's the matter? My dog's very concerned for some reason. Yeah, definitely no whoop whoop for me going on right now. I'm gonna still give this a little bit of time. Let's give this a little bit of time. You want to start seeing some decent movement. If not, I might call it an early day, guys. Let's see though. Let's see. We still have time. Strange about half my messages don't seem to go through. Baba, yours is not the first that says that. What the heck? That's weird. I wonder why. Is anyone else struggling with their messages coming through? He feels your pain. Yeah, both emotionally and physically. Because emotionally, this price action is wow. LMW. Okay, so LMW and Lubba. You guys are struggling with messages coming through. Anyone else? I really wonder why it does that. Could it be? Sorry, I'm just asking this because I know it happened with me once because my Wi-Fi was being weird. So when I tried to send a message, it didn't work. Could be maybe that your Wi-Fi is a little bit slow. I mean, it could be that my Wi-Fi is maybe having a mini meltdown. That's definitely possible, but could it maybe be a connection problem that side? Just asking. I'm not accusing. Just asking. Asking for a friend. Okay, maybe then not. Then my bad. Can't be that. Okay. Damn, LMW, we can't all be as cool as you. Might be. It could maybe be my Wi-Fi. I'm only seeing my messages. Oh no, old guardhouse, the one that you're on, no one's really messaging. The other one though, people are messaging. Not a lot of people like to message on the horizontal. I don't know why. Why y'all hating the horizontal? The horizontal's not bad. Seriously. But it's fine. Let's team up and have fun up on DC. Aw, what's up? How you doing? Sorry, I'm just popping back on. Let's see. Is it moving? Okay, a little bit of rejection. Okay, wait. We maybe have some movement. Just followed the streams I like. Let's team up and have fun. Add up DC. XJ Swerve, do you want to add me on Discord? It might be a little bit easier. Don't you dare ever doubt my Wi-Fi again. LMW, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That's my bad. That's my bad. Okay. Wow. Huh, interesting. How did I have this? Like I said, I wouldn't have taken this, but it appears that it would be working out right now. Cool. Hit the live button every 5 minutes or so because it's lagging. You freeze up a bit. I like the horizontal. Oh, love it, nice. Sorry, yeah. Especially in the afternoon. So where I live, I'm not gonna lie, the connection in this area sucks. Like, bang your head against a wall sucks. It's really frustrating. Oh yeah, Godhouse, there's two streams going on at the same time. A vertical and a horizontal. We'll possibly get a decent up, I guess, but I'm short, so I hope we'll retest at 25300. Yeah, there's that retest you're looking for, check. I see why you didn't buy it the fair value. Yep. Looks like a range. My shorts look yummy. Let's see. Well, we got a little bit of movement. Let's be on the positive side. I did say it had a few minutes to sort itself out. Maybe. Ooh. Oh, the problem is this damn range. It's so close to V. This is then a very tight stop loss. Blech. To a support level, it hasn't tapped into the 15-minute yet though. This is a B setup, so it's not an A+ setup, so I can't even take that. You have no moving average lines. Cameron? Yes, you are correct. Let's see. See how it reacts here. Again, on ES, this doesn't look bad for a short. It's not an A+ setup, it's a B setup. Watch it work, but I'm not gonna take it because of the fact that it's not A+. A+ only, people. What percent of profit do you get from your prop firm? What do you mean, LMW? With regards to? My funded account? Is that what you're asking? Definitely tapped into that support zone on... Okay, so SMT has been created. Here, let's see what happens here. Like I said, it's a B setup, so I'm not going to take it. It's probably going to work out because I'm not taking it, but it is what it is. What's the profit split? So LMW, I have to make... I have to get up to 53. 53 to take my first payout. So I have to get this up 6%. Yes. I'm happy with my short. Nice, check, okay. Check, where's your... maybe don't tell me. I was gonna ask you where your stop loss was, check, but like I said, maybe let's not ask that question. And what's the max loss per day? It's same as max. I don't actually think there is a max loss per day. I'm gonna have to check the max loss per day. I'm going off of it's the same as my, oh my goodness, what's it called? Consistency. I can get around 600, 650 a day. I'm going based off of its same with loss per day, but I can lose up to $2,000. So same as like the eval. Protected the trade with 10 points profit. Hey, cool. Jose, so you're being careful. Yes and no, because this isn't an A+ setup, so it's a B setup. If I take this, that would then just be me wanting to jump in because of FOMO. Rules are A+, this only has 2 confluences, not 3, so yeah. Is there no time limit? No. No time limit. My stop profit is 253.10. Yeah. Results from Alpha today plus 90 points. Nice! Check, damn, look at you go. That's awesome. Okay. You have like 15 minutes to decide where you are going and if you're going anywhere. Let's do this whilst I'm calling it early because this is driving me crazy. Hey, what's up? How's it going? How do you know you're from across the world? Do you know where I am? Jose, it's because of the VWAP. What about the VWAP? It hasn't tapped into the VWAP just yet. I mean, theoretically, you'd want to see it go down to VWAP, so like I said, a short would be quite nice still. Especially, so speaking about ES, it still hasn't tapped into VWAP on ES, it just missed it. Was just shy of it on ES. LMW, I try. I really try. Try to stay disciplined, right? Try to stay disciplined. Don't just jump in because of the fear of missing out. So there I would have been tagged in. Let's see. Like I said, I have a feeling this is going to be a winning trade. But it was not A+. So I'm going to leave it alone. Oh, nice. Well, I'm from South Africa. How's it going? I took a 10-point profit. Whoop whoop. You make it A+ setup. Yeah. What did I say? Let's see. That would have literally tagged in. They would have been the tag in. Let's see how it goes. Ah, it's fine. Okay, ES is still struggling to break down. Oh, there was a little bit of a volume imbalance on ES, so that's kind of rejecting off of. Let's see. But like I said, it was a B setup, so I'm not upset for not taking it. But let's watch and see how it plays out. You have to be smart about it. Don't think in terms of wins and losses. Rather base your performance on your discipline to your system. Ooh, LMW, I like that. Take 2 hours off. It'll move after lunch in USA. Aw, thank you. Glad to meet you too. Welcome, welcome. Slowly, you should start being more emotionally detached from the outcome. LMW, I'm really trying. And I'm also trying to not be a negative Nancy. Right? Don't let the negativity come into play. I am trying really hard to not allow that to be a thing. This seems to form a box for the next 2 hours. I think so. I think it's just gonna... Do you know what it might actually do? Let's see. Well, we'll see then tomorrow. This might just be going bob to bob ever so... Let's see. Sorry, it hit me. It might just be going... It kind of looks like it's coiling. It's getting smaller and smaller. So I think it's going to eventually break up, but that might only happen after lunch, right? Am I profitable? I haven't taken a payout yet, but I am officially funded, so... Yes? Question mark? I think you could call that profitable, but I haven't officially taken a payout yet, so technically no. Which broker to use? I'm currently using Top 1 Futures. But I am affiliated with Traderfy and Violin as well. They're having awesome discounts. If you guys do use prop firms, if you use any of the prop firms, even in the in the description below, you'll see all the links and everything. You can go check them out if you want to show some extra love and support. You can use my code. It's TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. Yeah, well, any and all support is much appreciated. Cameron, I only trade one asset so far, for now. I don't even tell my family about my trading yet. Pressure equals failure. LMW, that's interesting. I just don't tell people or non-traders about trading because, oh my gosh, it's too much of a damn headache, in all honesty. Am I still dealing with FOMO? Not really. Not really. I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything in this damn chaos. So I said this, but there's no inch of me that's like, oh no, I didn't take it. Damn, it was a B setup. It wasn't an A+ setup. So it's fine. out. Does ICT really work? Yeah. Oh no, I'm in drawdown on my funded. No, 100%. I am in drawdown on my funded. Let's say I'm. Well, no, I am in drawdown. I am a little bit. I'm $100 in drawdown. No, why did that not update? No, I'm more than $100. Sorry. Why did my? Oh, it's because the power went out earlier. Sorry. That's not the correct balance. It didn't save because of my power just dipping out earlier. There we go. So I am in drawdown. You are correct, check, but still funded. Damn, I'm watching. There we go. Sorry, I don't know why my balance was incorrect. There we go. That's the correct balance. So I am in drawdown, but it is what it is. We can see drop now. Sorry, let me quickly see here. Just checking. Sorry, my one friend's in the hospital again. It's been such a chaotic week. Seriously, guys, what a chaotic week. If you convince yourself you'll be successful due to your commitment to trading, you'll play for the long run and it'll get rid of most emotional BS, allowing you to be disciplined. Check, ICT makes it too complicated. So that's why I use parts. So I'm not like 100% ICT. I use parts of what he uses. So that's why I don't strictly trade ICT, but I trade some ICT confluences and some of like his ideas and things. I do agree that he can make it a little bit complicated at times, but you know, again, it just clicks for some people and it makes sense, in which case, yes, it works like a charm. Others, it just doesn't, in which case, no, it won't work for you. I think, sorry, I know I'm doing the whole spiel again, but sweet and simply, at the end of the day, you just have to find a strategy that makes sense to you, that clicks, and you go, this makes sense to me. I see when to execute and when not to execute. Cool, let's do it. If you're watching a strategy and you're like, this makes absolutely no sense, I don't know anything that's going on right now, then maybe it's just not the strategy for you and you keep looking until you find one. Just try and avoid strategy hopping. Yeah, strategy hopping is not ideal. Like 1 week you're looking at this, 1 week you're looking at this. Be aware of things and use them as confluences or confirmations or whatever you want to call it. So be aware of things, but stick to your strategy, especially if you like it, if you've done your testing, if it works for you, awesome. Yeah, I think that's it. At the end of the day, every strategy works. It just, if it makes sense for you, you know when to execute, you know the correct conditions, awesome. That's like my 2 cents. So this is great so far. Which part? Hey. Is it Villis or Villy? What's up? I still learning trading from Jim Nicely and Trent and Aaron, questioning the way the market reacts day to day. I love you. I like that. You need the key levels and take some indicators you feel comfortable with. If you admire or like what I present, it'll change trading instantly. Check, like I said, I'm so keen. I'm so keen. Actually wanted to message you earlier, but like I said, I've been running around like an idiot the whole day. Come on, bud, you have... Sorry, I can see the Wi-Fi is being dumb. I apologize, guys. I'm sure it's lagging a little bit, right? I'm sorry. Sorry about that. We have... I'm giving it 3 more minutes. Did you hear that, NQ? I've put a timer on you. You have 3 minutes to decide if you're gonna start showing us something good. Whilst I'm calling it, I'd rather hop on Discord and do some learning instead. So for anyone that is new, by the way, if anyone is new, if y'all want to join the Discord, you are more than welcome to. yeah, please, please, please. You are more than welcome to. It is here. It is the Discord link. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free. We do have lots of fun. We're very weird on the Discord. You know, some days we want to break from the trading and the trading talk, and then we just go and like play some games on Discord. It's always nice to have a community of like-minded people. Just have some fun. Hey boy arts, what's up? Rashan, how are you doing, bud? How's it going? How's it going? Anyone in on any trades right now? Da, 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 da. Sorry. I'll be back with you guys now. Apologies. Wee. Like I said, was a B setup, but it would have been a winning trade. NQ has started driving now. Cool. Okay. Would have been a winning trade. I knew it. You know when you just have a feeling that it's good, but it was a B setup, so you gotta learn to only take the A+ setups. Discipline is key, even when you think it's gonna work out. Discipline. Oh, discipline. Even if it's difficult. Just gotta keep on going, right? Rashan, I did. I took that one trade earlier during London, but nothing here during New York. Nope. Hey, Rashan, whoop whoop, that's amazing! LMW, you got one. Boy, Art, you're in a trade. And how's it looking? Stop limit all in place, waiting still. I touched my TP total. For anyone that has had a win, whoop whoop, well done, guys. Seriously, well done. Damn, time fiction. That sounds insane. Good for you, though. Seriously, good for you, but damn. Bro, I'm overtrained today. Yeah, stop. Lock yourself out. Can you lock yourself out? Lock yourself out. Call it a day. Wouldn't have tagged in. Still going. Ooh, it's about to tap into the first presented. Let's see how it reacts there. Directional for there, back into the bob level. Let's see how it reacts here. Still hasn't tapped into the 50% of the full range. I wonder if it's gonna do that. Just tapped into VWAP on ES. Okay, it heard me. I told it at 3 minutes to start moving and it went, okay, fine. So it started to move. Maybe something decent's gonna start presenting itself now. If it starts going sideways again, I'm gonna be grumpy. You win 33,000? We can't lock. Oh no! Well then just close the charts. Close them. Turn them off. Call it a day. I'm being strict now. Turn it off. Are you ever gonna give up? Well, aren't you closed? Well, in green, right? Yeah, 20k is enough today. Good grief. One day when I'm big, maybe I'll be able to be like, yo guys, I just earned 20k today. Here I am just like, yeah. It is what it is. Remember VPS or Wizard. What's up, Dom? How are you doing? Yes, on green. Well, then boy art, whoop whoop, well done. Seriously, well done. Like I said, for anyone that is new, this is a safe space. Well, I want to try and create a safe space. Very open and honest journey, and just a safe space. I want everyone here to be profitable and to just be successful. Be part of the 5%ers that make it in trading. It's difficult. It is difficult. But yeah. Okay, again, I'm putting a time limit on you. You have 3 minutes. Let's go. Okay, starting to see that was that rejection of a VWAP on ES. Let's see now how it goes. Hey, Timberlake, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? How goes it? I hope you're doing amazing. Well done to anyone that did get a trade and got a successful trade today, by the way. But others spend my time more in markets. In real life, I was like backtesting day and night for 3 to 4 years. Do I hear you? In a short position, style. I'm not in a short now. I'm okay. I'm okay. It's been... How do I put this? It's only Wednesday, which feels insane. Why is it only Wednesday? That's how my week is going. 5%er club, yes, Jose. 5%ers, I love it. Just hit TP. Abito, whoop whoop, well done. That is amazing. You get another whoop whoop, Abito. Relax and meditate with Vince. Sorry, what's up, Vince? From South Africa. What's up, another South African? I'm also from South Africa. How you doing, Vince? What part of ASA are you from? Netfilm, I want to join your group, of course. Here's my Discord. For anyone that's just joined, here's the Discord. Please just be aware there are scammers out there pretending to be me. So if you're not 100% sure if it is me, number one, I'm very informal on Discord. I'll be like, what's up? I won't send like this motivational rubbish, and I'll never send you my phone number. So, you know, I'm very informal. I'm like, hi, what's up? You good? It doesn't look copy pasted. Let's put it that way. If you're not sure if it is me, just ask for a one-on-one call. I will so happily hop on to a one-on-one call with you, and you can hear it's me, you can see it's me. If you think it's a scam, rather ask for a one-on-one call. So just please, anyone joining the Discord, just be aware that they are scammers pretending to be me. They are very irritating, but yeah. 1 minute left. So what's the concept of this trade 5 prop firm funding? Pretty much. So, Jacques, okay, so what's the concept of this trade 5 prop firm funding? Are you asking, like, why use prop firms? Is that what you're asking? I could go down a whole rabbit hole on that, but I'm just confirming that's your question before I start ranting. You're from SA2, South Australia? LMW? Oh, then you're part of the SA club. Welcome, bud. Just got back from work, I hear that. Relax and meditate. Vince, Pretoria. Nice. I used to be Pretoria side. I might actually be heading back Pretoria side. Let's see. To be determined, but I'm now KZN side. From Kenya, I've been learning of strategy. Hey, Colton, and how's it working for you? Roshan, I'm KZN side currently for now. Like I said, might be moving back Pretoria side. Let's see. Did you get the Discord? Oh, I'm such an idiot. I sent it twice on the same. There we go. No, I did send it there. Sorry, there it is again. There's the Discord link. I'm sorry. If you're struggling to get the Discord link, you can also pop me an email at teachmayatrading@gmail.com, and I can send it to you directly via email. I'm asking about the concept. You prove you can trade and get funded, not liable for losing their fund. Yeah, basically. So how an eval works, right? So I'm just gonna use the 50k eval because it's what I used. So you start with 50k. You have to reach a max. You have to get $3,000. Okay. So you trade live when you've reached 53k. Then you are funded, but it also gives you cushion to lose $2,000. Okay, obviously prop dependent, they all have different rules and different drawdowns but just as a beginner, it gives you that cushion so you can lose $2,000 in the market trading live. Sorry, I got a hiccup, but it gives you a cushion, especially when you're new to trading. And like, there's a lot of different things. I think I must maybe actually make a video going through all of it. If you want to, even Jacques, if you want to hop on Discord and have a one-on-one call and talk about prop firms, and then I can explain a little bit better, because I don't want to bore too many people. I'm sure a lot of you know about prop firms already. But it's basically, especially if you're new and you want to get the live experience without blowing through your capital, that's where the prop firm helps. Then once you reach the 53, you become funded. So yes, it's kind of like you've proven that, okay, you're now capable, and then you can start reaching the goal of getting a payout. And then, you know, in my opinion, I think once you've reached a few payouts, you can then start looking at getting a live account. But it's basically a nice way to trade live without blowing through all your capital, especially if you're new. Again, this is just my opinion. This is just my opinion. Shan, can you email me your heart? I mean, it might be a bit of a bloody mess, and you'll never see me again, but sure. Am I in a position right now? No, I'm not. So if you like a gamble, sell when it hits a top. Robocop, not yet. Apparently only later, after hours. There we go. Yeah, no, so it really is, especially if you're new. It's why I started with prop firms. So just for those of you that are interested, in my opinion personally is find a strategy, paper trade the strategy for one reason and one reason only. Paper trading helps you determine which price action works for you, or which, yeah, and when to execute your strategy. That's the only thing I think paper trading actually helps with. Otherwise, it's useless to paper trade. Prop firm then gives you that cushion, right? You can then trade on the props to get the mental side, the psychological, there we go, the psychological side, because trading live is a whole other ball game. Did I just say ball game? I'm so sorry. A whole other ball game. So as soon as you're now trading live on a chart where you can see numbers going up and down, it becomes very real, and then is where you have to start working on not letting the fear of missing out get to you, not just jumping in on a trade. You know, this is where the discipline comes in. This is where you only take your A+ setups. It's a bit of a pain in the butt, but especially if you're new, to start on an eval, to then practice that, it gives you that cushion. And then obviously when you're funded, awesome, then you can start working towards getting payouts. And then, like I said, once you've got a few payouts and now you're like, okay, cool, the psychological part is there, I'm a bit more emotionless with it, then you can go to a live account, and then you don't have to risk, you know, blowing through all your capital. You'll get better and earn more than I am earning. Shan, I appreciate that. Oh. Pro 50-minute zone. One more time we go down. Hey, Rise Beyond Limits. Not looking at a bold game. Yeah, it's... No, I got nothing. I thought I would try find something cool to say about a bold game, but I got nothing, so I'll just do...
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, there we go. Like LP said, you can also just stay with props and take payouts, and you're not risking your capital. Let's see, this is still going sideways now. Hey Solly, what's up? You'll lose money, and if you're lucky, good, whatever you want to call it, good for you, because from the 100k people, only 3.5% make it. you will lose money. This is what you do for a living, so you know it is possible for you to not lose. Like, okay, to lose a little bit is inevitable, but the goal is to be profitable, right? Oh, 100%. The sideways is a nightmare. Oh, actually, check. It popped into first presented as it hit VWAP on ES. So this is this rejection going on here right now. Interesting. Okay. Wonder how high up it's gonna go. But yeah, check. So check. This is why I say the 5%ers. And that's because I'm a very firm believer that I think 95% of people that get into trading hope for a get rich quick scheme. And it just does. Yeah, Wi-Fi. I don't understand why this Wi-Fi is doing this. I need to get a connector cable. This stupid area with its stupid. To be fair, I think it's also because of the power outage. I think the whole area is having a mini freak out. My goal is the free life to do whatever I want and when I want. Yeah. Go have fun. Definite chop day. Definite chop day. Go have fun. 100%. So actually, speaking of, I gave it its opportunity. And it's not taking it, so I might call it early because, like I said, I don't want FOMO to take over. There we go. I don't want FOMO to take over, or, well, not really missing out on anything here, am I? a.k.a. money. I mean, LMW. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. When you're right, you're right. Just saying. But yes, freedom to do whatever you want does unfortunately mean that you need money. Right? If you want to go and you see a nice pair of jeans. I don't know. I'm going with jeans. The freedom to just be able to buy them means that you need to be earning money. Okay, guys. Okay, this price action is putting me to sleep. I can't do this. How many funded accounts so far? Hey, just one, Sebastian. What's up? How you doing? Anyways, Oleg, are you good? But yeah, one funded account. What's up? How you doing? This is my first funded account. I still got it, so that's something. For now, trying not to let the fear of missing out and cloud my judgment. DBP, no, probably not. I'm actually might be calling it now. I'll hop onto Discord rather. But this is a chop fest. This is very, very risky, especially for my strategy. This could be very bad. So I'm a call it there. Yeah, I'm gonna call it there, guys. Which prop? So I'm currently using top 1 futures. Yeah, so I'm currently using top 1 futures. But, sorry, you guys get the spiel. One last time. Are you ready? If you guys want, especially if you are in South Africa, Violin is having an 89% discount currently. Tradeify has a 30% off everything discount until Saturday, the 28th of Feb. And 40% off 150k select accounts. And Top 1 Futures also has some decent discounts happening currently. So if you guys want to check them out, if you want to get the discounts, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya, all capitals, no gaps, or all caps, no gaps. All the links are in the description below. You guys can go check it out. If you are keen, have a look-see. Yeah, any and all support is always appreciated. And of course, you know, props help you not die. Hey, Psychotai, what's up? How you doing? I need a prop with good live accounts. Ooh, Sebastian, I would check Tradeify. Just I'm putting it out there. I would have a look at Tradeify. You can check the link in the description. Give it a little check, see if it's what you're keen on. But yeah, Tradeify is really good and they're really highly ranked. Just saying. I know I'm pushing it a little bit, but they are. They are really, really good. Top Step is bad now for their live account. Oh no. But like I said, seriously, check out Tradeify. Because they are big and around. I've heard, sorry, now we're back in the debate area. I've heard good and bad things recently with Top Step. Some people love them. Some people will never ever move. Other people that have been with them for a while have been starting to be a bit iffy with them. So yeah. But yeah, that's just from what I've heard. I've never traded with them, so you know, it is what it is. I'm not affiliated with any, I just happen to use them. True, exactly. See, I'm affiliated with. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Like I said, this is sideways. This is a snooze fest. So I'm gonna call it. Let's see. Hopefully Thursday and Friday are gonna be amazing. We can do this. We can do this. It's gonna be great. But why would you want a live account? Oh, okay. Wait. Solly's carried it on. Why would you want a live account? Just take payouts on Sim and build a personal account. A live account is the same as personal account, except you need to follow their rules and they can deny payment. Here we go. There's that. The payment and the rules are clear. Oh my goodness. DD Trades, which prop firm is my favorite? Ooh, that's a bit of a difficult, that's a bit of a tricky question. Because, like, just personally, are you asking personally? See, that's a bit of a take sides. I do personally really like Tradeify, but like I said, Tradeify can be more expensive per month, but there's no activation fee. Whereas like Top One and Bulonox are cheaper per month, but there's activation fees. So, you know, again, prop firms all depend on the person. Sorry. I'm just yapping. Get off. Yes, sorry, Sally. Okay. Like I said, this is going sideways. So I'm a call it. I will be back tomorrow. I'll be back. London and New York session, guys. If you want to join, please do. There is also a Discord if you guys want to hop on in. Like I said, be aware of scammers. Don't forget to press that like button. I love you guys madly. I'll be back tomorrow. It's a fresh day. It'll be after Nvidia. It's going to be great. I love you guys. See you then. London and New York tomorrow. Bye. And